Hello, it's David McElroy here, talking about gas as an energy efficient supply. Gas appliances are used a lot in houses these days. You have to be a licensed gas plumber to install gas appliances and gas lines. If there is gas in the street, there's a three-part project or three-part process to get gas to your property. Number one, you contact Gemina or a gas retailer. They will bring gas into the property, usually at a nominal fee, as they are interested in getting you as a lifelong gas customer. The second part of that is then you get a licensed gas plumber to install a gas meter bar, and from there you meet an inspector. Then the next part of the job is you run the new gas line from the gas meter to the appliances you require. Common appliances for gas installations are instantaneous gas hot water, gas storage hot water, and gas cooktops, as well as gas room heaters. To start the process off, even to get gas into the street, you must contact a licensed gas fitter. A licensed gas fitter can help you in that early process, and then from there we can then assist you getting the gas to your property, to the appliances you require. The cost to bring gas into your property varies between $300 to $500. That is to get gas to your property. Once gas is installed to your gas meter, after that you are best to get a quote off McElroy Plumbing. They vary a lot in distance the gas pipes have to run and what appliances you intend to install.